Val's a CMS where your content is hard-coded in TypeScript or JavaScript files, but where non-technical editors can make updates through a UI. Here's an example to show you how. This is a Val TypeScript file. Schemas are defined like this. If you're familiar with Zod, it should be easy to understand. Val tries to be zero abstraction. A string is a string, an array is an array. There's no document objects or pizza slices in Val. The content is defined here in your TypeScript file. That means end-to-end type safety without code generation. And it means that you can refactor your CMS as if it was hard-coded, because it technically is. Of course, this is available locally and versioned by Git. Other than correctness, this approach also means that you have a tighter feedback loop, where errors can be spotted quickly. You are able to see exactly what the content is in your IDE, which means that there's less to grok for you and your future self or colleagues. Speaking of which, there's no query languages in Val either, since there's no REST services nor databases to fetch data from. To present your content, you import the modules where you need them. For React server components like we have here, you would use fetch-val. For client components, we have a use-val hook. Pages render instantly. You don't need to worry about the cache for it to be fast or cheap, since there's no API calls. Also, it might be good to know that there's no service that you depend on that might be down. A lot of CMSs claim that they're type-safe, but are they really if you cannot refactor your schema and your content? Since everything is hard-coded in Val, I can rename across my entire codebase, content included. You can quickly figure out what you're using by simply looking up references. If you favor correctness, you might have been wanting to test your entire app. That might include your content. With Val, that is possible. Or maybe you need updatable content in your storybook stories. Val's perfect for these use cases. With Val, the default is that you host binary files yourself, which of course means it's free. You don't even need to sign up. It's also easy to work with, as you copy and paste into your public Val directory and refer to it from your code. If you're partial against committing binary files to Git, you can use Val remote files. Val's LSP lets you upload remote files directly from your VS Code, like this. Val's LSP does more than just files, by the way. Validation errors are also shown directly in your editor. Finally, we have a CLI that lets you do the same thing, but from your command line. Val would not be a CMS if a non-technical editor could not update the content easily. Here you can see our Val module as it would be presented for content editors. Our visual editing mode lets editors update content directly on the app, so they instantly can see a draft of their changes. So this has just been a quick overview of Val. To recap, Val's the CMS where you store content as code. It's got a simple abstraction model, end-to-end type safety, that includes refactorable content. It's got a UI and visual editing mode for direct edits inside of your application. It's lightweight and you can use it today without even signing up. If I convinced you, try it by running npm create at valbuild. If not, it would be great to hear your thoughts on our Discord, which is linked on our main page. And if you reach the very end, here, I thank you for your time.